Hello guys, my name is Anis. I will be telling you how to enroll for internships at Aerobotica Services Private Limited. So first step, visit our website aerobotica.in. You need to click for the internships over here. So you first see whichever the courses are available. So if I click onto the internship courses, I'll be getting all the courses which are available here. So if you want to see the more details here, just click onto the view more. You'll be getting all the details from here. So then enroll now. Just click onto the enroll now. So it will asking me the please log in and try again. So if I log in with the Google account, or else you can log in with your account, sign up here and you can log in. So I will just log in with the Google accounts. So I'll be selecting account as Happy Groceries. So once I successful sign in as a Happy, so I can say I'm getting the details over here. Automatic, it fetches your full name and your email address. Select the gender and domain name, select it carefully. Later you don't have option of edit. So once you enroll, you'll be getting registration successful as alert message. Then you can see your details, whatever you have enrolled yet here. Just click for the payment page. So once you click onto the page, you'll be getting to the payments, and you can select it for the amount 600. So for I'm doing for the testing purpose, I'll be selecting this and I'll be giving to the pay options. So you can pay with the Paytm debit card, credit or UPI payments, Google Pay, Phone Pay or net banking. Once payment is successful, I'll be getting the message payment stating regarding your order ID is 29 and order is success. Then I can just click here to get the offer letter. I need to click this button. So once I click this one, I'll be getting the offer letter to my registered mail, and you can see all the details whichever you have applied from here. Okay, you can see your payment ID and the amount paid. Then next, join the WhatsApp group by clicking this button. Once you click onto this button, you'll be getting to this particular group link. Just join that particular group. Then next comes to the certificates amount paid. Here it's showing none and empty. So after you can just click on to this one internship enrollment procedure. So there is a 4th step, that is a certificates payment. That is our 4th step. So and if you want to pay for the certificates, just you can select it this particular page, certificate payments, and select the amount. I'll be selecting for this testing here. I'll pay. So again I'll be getting this page. You can select of the payment method, anything if you like. The payment is success. You'll be getting the payment ID regarding your certificate. Order ID is 8 and order is success. Then you need to click to update your account details. Once I click on to this one, update, so you can see it is telling me thanks for being intern with us, and all the things you can see, all the name, domain, email, USN, college name, phone number, and your payment ID of the internships, as well as your certificate amount paid, particular amount, and the payment ID has been updated. So you can check your registered mail. You can just check it the certificate has been issued or not. So let me go to the account. So if I select that particular account, happygroceries@gmail.com. So if I go to the Gmail accounts, so here you can see the offer letter has been received from the company automatic. So my name and the USN college name, and regarding whichever the domain you have selected, data science, and your payment ID as well as amount you have paid. Okay, these are all the details has been given. You need to follow this offer letter guidelines and procedures, terms and conditions. You can see. Suppose if your payments has been not done, so how to do again? If you have done enrollment, just you can go to the nav bar, see for the internship enrollment procedure. So step 1 you will be getting this one. If you have applied, don't need of applying twice. If your payment has not done, just select it for the step 2 and you can pay it anytime. Okay, all the 4 details has been mentioned over here, and the student account details and everything. So this will be your unique account. So if you log in into if you go to your account details, you'll be seeing all the registered details as well as everything. Okay, this is how you need to register for internships at Aero. Thank you.